Let's talk about how you know you need to make quarterly tax payments as a small business owner. I'm Reagan. I'm the numbers witch. I am an advanced certified QuickBooks Online Pro Advisor. I do bookkeeping for small businesses, but I also teach other people how to do their bookkeeping. And this comment was left on a video where I was talking about a quarterly tax payment deadline that was back in June. This comment reads, I was just going to ask you how you're supposed to know if you're someone who is supposed to pay quarterly estimated tax payments. I also did a live inside of my private virtual community over on Facebook. The community is the space for questions, for getting support, for networking with my other clients who are also doing their own bookkeeping. I want you to know that if you are a small business owner and you have a significant amount of profit, meaning that you have more revenue coming in than business expenses going out, that could mean that you need to make quarterly estimated tax payments. It is not that simple, but that is a good indication that you might be somebody who needs to make quarterly estimated tax payments. So you can join my community for $7 a month and get access to the live that I did about quarterly estimated tax payments. It is truly an individual case-by-case basis. And you take this equation that takes into account like what you paid on your taxes last year, whether or not you have a profit. We kind of consider a bunch of different factors. If you're married and you have a spouse that has a salaried paycheck where they're having taxes withheld, if you have children and so you expect to be able to claim the child tax credit, like a lot goes into taxes. They are complicated by design. Small business owners usually need to make quarterly estimated tax payments if they're making a pretty good profit. Whether or not you're making a profit is in your profit and loss statement. You get a profit and loss statement by doing your bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is where we start with all of this, which is why I'm here and why I encourage you to purchase the Bookkeeping Foundation Kit. And you're doing your own bookkeeping or you haven't done your bookkeeping yet because you don't know how to do it and you either don't want to pay a contracted bookkeeper or accountant to do your books for you, or you can't afford to do that yet. The Bookkeeping Foundation Kit is $77 and it will teach you my simple methods and system for bookkeeping. I believe that bookkeeping is a skill that anybody can learn, which is why I created that course. So purchase the Bookkeeping Foundation Kit. That link is in my profile, and you also get 30 days free access to the community. Community does have that live video where I talked about quarterly estimated payments. So when you purchase the Bookkeeping Foundation Kit, you'll get access to watch that video as well.